In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find the equation of an exponential function when you're given the graph with points on it. We know our parent function, or our standard form, is y equals ab to the x. And we can utilize that to actually find the equation of this graph right here. Starting with our positive, like our 0 and our positive 1 is going to be the easiest way to do this. You can, of course, use the negative 1 as well. Using the 0 and 1, remember that is your x and your y. It's really big, but that's okay. So our x and our y in our first case here would be 0 and 1. So we're going to plug those into our x and y up here. So our y was 1, and then we'd have ab to the 0. Now if you recall, anything to the 0 power is 1. So it doesn't even matter what b is. B to the 0 power is going to be 1, which means that we'd end up with 1 equals a times 1, which means that a equals 1, which is nice. That gives us our first variable. But now we can use this as well as our 0.13 to actually solve the next one. So once again, we have another x and y that equals 1, 3. So using the same a up here, this time we'll plug in our 3 and our 1. So 3 equals 1, because that's what we found our a to be. And then our b is what we're looking for, and this time it will be to the 1 power, because that is our x. Well, b to the 1 is just b. With that, then, we'd have 3 equals 1 times b. So b equals 3, because 1 times anything is whatever you multiply it times. So we got our a to be 1 and our b to be 3. That means our resulting equation would be y equals